Ever wondered why the term calories is always on the tip of the tongue of health enthusiasts and dietitians? Well, it's because calories are the fuel that keeps your body going. They're the powerhouse of your body, running the show behind the scenes. So, what exactly are these calories? Simply put, a calorie is a unit of energy. It's that little spark that powers your body, helping you move, breathe, and even think. It's the energy you get from the food and drinks you consume. In essence, calories are like the batteries that keep your body's machinery humming along. Now, calories aren't all the same. They come in different types, based on where they come from. First up, we have macronutrient calories. These are the big hitters, providing the majority of your energy. They come from carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. Carbohydrates found in foods like bread, rice, and fruits are your body's go-to source of quick energy. Next up, we have proteins found in meat, fish, eggs, and beans. Proteins are the construction workers of your body, helping to build and repair your muscles, support your immune system, and produce enzymes and hormones. And then, we have fats, found in oils, nuts, butter, and avocados. Fats are your body's reserve tank, providing long-lasting energy, helping your body absorb vitamins and insulating your organs. Next, we have micronutrient calories. These are the little helpers in your body, coming from vitamins and minerals. While they don't directly provide energy, they help your body use the energy from macronutrients more efficiently. Vitamins and minerals are essential for a variety of bodily functions, such as bone health, immune function, and energy production. For example, carbohydrates, found in foods like bread, pasta, fruits, and vegetables, provide energy for your brain and muscles, especially during physical activities. Proteins, found in foods like meat, fish, eggs, and beans, are the building blocks of your body, playing a crucial role in muscle repair, immune function, and hormone production. And fats, found in foods like oils, nuts, butter, and avocados, provide concentrated energy, support cell growth, protect your organs, and help your body absorb fat-soluble vitamins like A, D, E, and K. So why is understanding calories so important? Well, by knowing where your calories come from and how they fuel your body, you can make smarter choices about what you eat. This knowledge empowers you to nourish your body with the right kind of energy to keep you thriving. And remember, balancing your calorie intake with physical activity is key to achieving optimal health and wellness. So the next time you hear the term calories, think of them as the powerhouse that keeps your body going.